In 2014, we launched a 3-year accelerated program at Penn State College of Medicine with the goal to reduce student debt and to address the problem of physician shortage.
The 3+ Accelerated Pathway at Penn State College of Medicine is a program whereby the medical student can gain a 4-year medical school degree in a timeline of 3 years.
Our students get to save a full year of medical school tuition, which I think is huge.
They also enter the workforce 1 year earlier. So from both components, yes, there's absolutely a cost savings.
I think one of the challenges but also benefits of the accelerated pathway is you're exposed to clinical care and actual patient care right from day one.
It's very interesting because you'll go to class and you'll learn about some disease, some pathology, and then in the clinic that day, you'll actually see someone who has that disease. So I think being able to see that in the clinic makes the things you learn in the classroom really stick.
When a student comes into the 3+ program, they have assigned faculty that follow them. They have mentorship. They not only go through their medical learning and are incorporated within the student body, but they also are part of that department.
One of the best things about Penn State and about the 3+ program specifically is that I've been able to make connections with the faculty here who already practice obstetrics. And so even before my residency starts, I've already kind of met those people, decided on kind of some paths moving forward or ways that I can integrate that into my residency tract. And that's been amazing because I'll just be able to enter residency and already hit the ground running and have kind of curriculum built around me to help me succeed in those goals.
All the students at Penn State College of Medicine go through the match formally. The 4-year student have to go around the country interviewing at multiple programs to be successfully matched. Our 3-year students, we rank them to match, and they only apply for one program. If they do everything well as planned, then they will be coming to our residency program, which is a big stress reducer for our students.
Students who succeed in an accelerated program are self-directed learners. There is a degree of responsibility that the student must take upon themselves to coordinate their schedule and ensure that they're comparing what they're learning in the classroom and applying that into the clinic. I think it takes a student who knows from the get-go what their career aspirations are, what specialty they're interested in, and again, all of that really funnels into that early professional identity, that early mentorship. Here at Penn State, you're surrounded by really great people, people who care about you not just in the classroom, but care about what's going on outside of the classroom. So I think for all those reasons, it made my experience here in the accelerated pathway really meaningful and really encouraged and motivated me to stay here at Penn State and to pay it forward for students for years to come.
I think the 3+ program is an enormous opportunity for the right student with the right fit at Penn State College of Medicine.